Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing and review on this Swiffer PowerMop. So it does have some serrations up here. We could open it up here, but let's open it right here. Okay, let's carefully pull everything out. We got some wires that are connecting the unit to the handle. And we've got some more stuff down in here. All right, looks like we got some batteries. Okay, so inside this bag, we do have some AA batteries. And we've got some pads and some instructions. Okay, so let's remove the solution. We do have some cardboard here. We got to take that cardboard out. All right. Okay, let's put the handle together. Now there is a notch here. If I look down there, I think that notch is there. Let's push it in. Yeah, it kind of snaps in. Then we've got this other part of the handle. Be careful with the wires again. Now we got some excess wire here. We got to kind of put it in the handle a little bit. Might be easier to put it down here in this handle. Yeah, I think that worked the best going that way. Now we have a square and a circle. So line those up. May have to kind of pinch it there. It should snap into place, both of them. Now with everything lined up, here's the handle. It goes straight down. There's the solution. Now we got this piece of tape. We got to take that off and install the batteries. I think we've got some more tape to take off. And again, this thing is where the batteries go. So open this up, and here's where we put the batteries. Okay, so if we take a closer look, we got a negative and positive on this side. Negative and positive kind of go alternates. And again, these are AA batteries. Now we got to find that arrow. Now we're going to slide it in like this. There's like a notch for it to slide into, and it kind of clicks into place. Okay, so here we have the pads. Looks like it comes with two of them. They got a bunch of, this is what's going to go down towards the floor. And then this side is what attaches. You don't take anything apart. You just leave it like that, and you're going to snap it onto this. There's these little gripper things right here. They're going to grip it. Yep. And you can lightly step on it. When we spray the trigger, the solution is going to come out these two little knobs. Now let's put the solution in. Okay, so when we put the solution in, there's a little needle down in there that's going to poke this. This is like a rubber stopper, so you don't take anything off. Leave all this installed. Put the solution in and just push down until you hear it click into place. When you want to remove the solution, press that button. It pops up. Again, it's not going to leak because it has that little diaphragm there. So very easy to put in. Okay, so I'm going to be pressing this trigger right here up on the handle. Let's pull it back and see how far it goes. All right, we get a bunch of solution out. It goes about that far. Yeah, let's try that again. So it goes all the way up to about there. I like that there's a little pad here. If I need to really get down and scrub, I can hold that right there. But it rotates easy, it glides easy. And I just got to spray a little solution as I go. The button's real easy to press. Smells really good. And then you can tell here's the bottom of it. When I'm done, I can just rip these off and throw that away and put another pad on. So the best way to store this is it stands off the floor about 4 feet, but there's this big like hole for you can put it on a hook. And again, here's the cleaning head. So you got about almost 15 inches of cleaning. There's the spray jets. They're about 11.5 inches apart. Front to back, you're about 5 inches. And the solutions you're going to buy say PowerMop on them, and they contain 23 fluid ounces. Now it does say this is for multi-surfaces, hardwood floors, linoleum. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.